Welcome all. This is our lecture 12, and in this lecture, we will learn about the table heading. We will call it as table header also. Table header. As we all know, we have two different types of rows in a table. That is, one is that come very first of the table or the first row of the table, that is called header row, which will have some header elements, and according to that elements we will fill the next upcoming rows. So let's check what is table heading. Table header in HTML, we will define the table heading or table header by the tag th, table header, and it's also a paired tag, and the th tag will replace the td tag. It means the only for the very first row we will use th, and for other rows we will use td. These are two interchangeable. Okay, table heading we will use once. After that we will fill the cells by td. It has some properties that if we are using th tag or heading tag, the contents, the text will appear in boldface by default and always come to center by default. The alignment will be center by default. You will not use any center tag, align tag, or any bold B tag. These are automatically will done by the th tag. Let's check the coding of this. There is a program on your screen. In this, there is a row first with a table header with a name and salary field, and all these two rows with the data field. This will be the output of this table. These will two come with table heading, and we will fill the table according to the defined content. We can also check or implement this in our coding. Let's come to the output. Let's check. This is the header row, and as I told you, the th tag have the property the content will be come in center and appear with the bold face as well, and these are the td with the content. These are the left centered by default. If we are using td tag, the content will be left centered by default. Okay, if you want that these content must be in center, then you must use align equal to center. So this is all done for this lecture. Prepare your notes.